Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey that will transform not just the way you eat, but the way you experience food. Today, we delve into the magic of portion control and the wonders of mindful eating. Picture your plate as a beautiful canvas and yourself as the artist creating a masterpiece. Portion control is your first brushstroke on this canvas of flavors, colors, and textures. Our world of abundant choices can sometimes lead us astray when it comes to portion sizes. But fear not, for we shall learn the secrets of portion control that keep our health on track while still savoring our favorite delicacies. Mindful eating, the superhero power that rescues us from the clutches of mindless munching. Here's the scenario. You're enjoying a meal with friends or family and your phone beeps. Before you know it, you're eating on autopilot, barely registering the taste and texture of what's on your plate. But here's the secret: mindfulness. Engaging your senses, relishing every bite, and savoring each flavor transforms your meal into a divine experience. Step 1 is to identify your hunger cues. Are you truly hungry or just eating out of boredom or stress? Recognize your body's signals and you'll conquer overeating like a champion. Now, let's take a step back from the plate and dive into mindful cooking. Paying attention to the ingredients you use, appreciating the process of preparation, and infusing your dishes with love will elevate your meal to a whole new level. How about some fun practices? Ever tried the 3-bite rule? Take 3 deliberate bites, savoring each one, and then decide if you truly need more. Or how about the 5 senses challenge? Engage all your senses while eating, from the aroma to the texture. It's an explosion of flavors in your mouth. Portion control doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about finding balance. Fill half your plate with colorful veggies, 1/4 with lean protein, and the remaining 1/4 with whole grains. Voila! A balanced and satisfying meal. Let's face it, we're only human, and sometimes we might overindulge, and that's perfectly okay. It's all about self-compassion and getting back on track. As we conclude this epic adventure, remember that understanding portion control and mindful eating is not a fad, but a lifelong journey. Embrace it and you'll discover a newfound love for food, improved health, and a zest for life like never before. So, my fellow food enthusiasts, go forth and embark on your mindful eating quest. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and hit that notification bell to join us on more exciting adventures in the world of wellness. Until next time, stay mindful, stay healthy, and keep being awesome.